My speech is all about the beauty of taking a break. Did you remember when still a kid back in the day? It's so nice, right? You can do anything, you can play all day long, and you can do everything you want. My, how nostalgic. But now, you are slowly growing up, and this is a part of your life. You realize how hard life is. Growing up means more problems and challenges you will face ahead. Back in elementary days, school was all about fun learning and having many friends as you want. It's all about enjoying it. But now came senior high. This is a part of your school days when everything changed. From fun learning to many schoolworks and activities that require mental and physical capabilities. All of this, your body will slowly take a toll. Mental breakdown, burnout. So here am I encouraging for all senior high school students to take a break. Take a moment of peace. Pause everything you're doing right now. And have a moment of peace and silence. Because after your hard work and dedication, you deserve to take a break.